Contestant number 1, Binibini Pau Pau. Good evening, Binibini Pau Pau. How are you?
I'm fine.
How old are you, Binibini Pau Pau?
2 years old.
Wow, you're 2 years old. So here's my question, Binibini Pau Pau. Here's my question. Gusto mo ba maging beauty queen paglaki mo?
Opo.
Bakit gusto mo maging beauty queen paglaki mo?
Kasi model. Model.
You want to be an international model?
Opo.
So, give us the pose, Binibini Pau Pau.
Okay. Huh?
Show us your modeling skills.
Okay.
Give us another pose.
Okay, kuya.
Another pose, Binibini Pau Pau.
Yeah.
Ang hirap naman.
How about one more for our audience?
Pang Miss
One more.
Universe.
Give us your trademark Miss Universe pose.
Okay.
Wow, thank you very much. That's our contestant number 1, Binibini Pau Pau.